Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 27th, 2021, Ocugen. I wanted to come in and give you all this very important, huge Ocugen price move, right? You guys can see it from yesterday, what happened into the market in Ocugen. You guys can even see my last price prediction that we've done in Ocugen and how the market went against us. We're going to talk about all that today on this video, but first I want to say welcome to every one of you. This is the realest spot that you guys are going to get a price prediction without the confusion. So if you guys want to learn more, before I get started, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. Okay, so now real quick, our last price prediction in Ocugen was right here on October the 6th, right? Now, we played the weakness into the market in Ocugen only for the fact that we wasn't seeing any strength come through the market. Our prior price prediction before October the 6th, we were playing the strength into the market in Ocugen. You guys could go back and listen to it 2 videos ago in our Ocugen playlist. We were playing the strength then. But I had to take the weakness into the market in Ocugen until we saw the strength come through. And you guys can see it, that the actual strength into the market in Ocugen came in right there on October the 11th. So let me zoom in. And this is where we would have known that, yeah, our prior prediction of seeing Ocugen's price go down, it doesn't look likely. Right there on October the 11th, the market has confirmed that the strength was going to come through. Cool. I'm here to show you that we didn't get this one right? Our last price prediction into the market in Ocugen did not go right. I get it, and it will happen. There's opportunities to where the market will control and win against us, and this is one situation to where it has. We didn't get this one right. So if we were to get out the market on the close of yesterday's trading day, we'll be down 32%. Okay, right there. Now it happens. Learn from it. You guys see, do better next time so that you guys can be scathed away from these opportunities of what your original price prediction was versus to where the market went. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Let's clean this up because I wanted to come in and talk about what happened yesterday into the market in Ocugen, right here. Now, what happened? Look at the spread of yesterday's daily price bar. What in the world does it mean? Look at the volume that came into the market in Ocugen as well. Both of these two things is massively telling us some clues. Now, do you want to listen to it, or are you going to be oblivious to what we have on this chart and act like the market is not trying to tell us something, right? So the price action from yesterday's trading day, we saw the market in Ocugen open, right, at $11.12. The market was able to push itself all the way up there to a high of $13.23. We closed at $9.15. So you tell me, which one dominated the market? Was it the buyers or was it the sellers? You tell me. There was a lot of price activity yesterday based off the volume and based off where the spread has gone. Based off, okay, let me give you what I'm saying. Based off yesterday's price action, it's telling me that the sellers dominated Ocugen's price. I know you guys don't want to hear that. You guys expect Ocugen to shoot up there to $45, $50, right? But yesterday is a glaring sign for us to really take note of. Now, I'm not saying that the market will never ever go to $45 or $50 in Ocugen. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying to you is that whoever is involved in Ocugen's market, right? They had a big bag. And they most likely sold a lot of their majority of their position yesterday. Retail traders didn't do all that volume yesterday. Big institutions came in. Either they sold or they bought. So in the next couple of trading days, we'll be able to tell if the majority of the big hedge funds bought or did they sell. That is the answer that we're going to do today on this video, because I've already told you, I'm seeing the market as weak in Ocugen based off what happened in one day, right? So you can even see it here on the 3-day time frame. Look at these arrows. So this is the 3-day time frame in Ocugen right here. Okay, for some apparent reason, you guys can tell that Ocugen cannot break above $13.50. Like, it's having issues. This market in Ocugen is literally trading within these two lines ever since February of this year. We haven't gone anywhere in Ocugen. Nowhere. We've been bouncing in between $6 as support all the way up there to $13.50 for this whole year, pretty much. Now, seeing how every time we come up here to $13.50, the market gets rejected and comes back down, what makes you think that we're not going to do that again? Right? What makes you think we're not going to do it now? Two-day time frame. Look at that. Five-day. Look at that. Look at this on a weekly. The last couple of days, I would even say last couple of weeks, those who are involved in Ocugen's market has been selling. While they have been drumming up the anticipation of covaxin getting their emergency use listing, they're playing on that news to the unsuspecting public because they think that that's going to be positive catalyst to pursue higher prices, which it did. I mean, I'm not going to deny that. You all can see that that information, that news, that anticipation of covaxin receiving its EUL did spur higher prices. But many of retailers probably didn't get out in time, right? Those who are in the know about Ocugen and what this actually means said, I'm gonna take this opportunity and sell to the unsuspecting public or the retail investor, because they would think that the price in Ocugen is going to shoot all the way up there to $180, right? So now, let me give you my expectations as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Ocugen, because I played the weakness last time and got burned, but I'm still playing the weakness again. I know, right? Now, I'm not really bearish though. I want you all to understand that I'm not truly bearish into the market in Ocugen. I'm not, because how tight this market has been traded within this consolidation range lets me know that either, you know, those who have big bags, either they're still accumulating Ocugen before the massive breakout, or two, they have been selling their big bags into the unsuspecting market, playing off of the emergency use listing with covaxin. It's either or. And once that news gets played out, the market will break $6 to the downside, right? So this is it. I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Ocugen. I'm not extremely weak, so just relax. If you're an Ocugen bull, if you're looking for the price to go exceedingly higher, I'm just expecting the price to go down before it does that, right? So now I'm going to play the weakness until we see the price either break above $11, okay, where we opened on yesterday's trading day. Bring it up just a tad higher, all the way back down. My first area to grab some profitability would be around 8. Okay, that would be the first spot. Second area would be for the market to come all the way down to $7.25. That's the second area. So we got $8 first, $7.25 second, and then ultimately like $7 or so. That's the third area. So now this is it. All right, now I want to know, what else would you suspect will be a catalyst for Ocugen news outside of the covaxin emergency use listing? Like, what else would you play off of? Because seemingly with this high volume that came into the market in Ocugen yesterday, kind of seemed that that's it. Like, what else would the market be anticipating to spur further upward movement in Ocugen? I want to know. I'm inquiring for real. I really want to know, what would you all think would be the next spur, right? Hit me up. And also let me know your price prediction. Tell me where you expect the market in Ocugen to go in the next 3 weeks. Okay, hit me up. Now that's it. I'm done. Let me know. make sure you maintain a profitability. I definitely want to say welcome to everyone who participates within our channel, because we want to show you that you can do this for yourself and that you don't have to be dependent on nobody else. You know when to get in and when to get out. You have your outlook, your expectation as to what the market's going to do, and you act accordingly. So try it out. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.